Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add GIF in your Mailchimp email. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see we have already logged into our Mailchimp account. So here if you want to add your GIF account, you just need to follow some guidelines. So here actually you can see my full video till the end. So here you just need to click over here, create email. Once you click over here, then choose any of them. Here I will choose the from scratch, or you can choose the basic layout. It's total depend on you. So here I will just place this image over that place. Once I go over here, let's select this one. Here I just need to select this one. Once I select over here, then you will get couple of options in the left corner, as you can see it. So here you just need to click over here to the add. Once you click over here, then here you will get the options like upload image or browse image. So here you just need to select the browse image. Once you select this one, then you are allowed to watch your options. So you just need to go over that place, and here actually you can see we have a couple of options like upload stock image, my products, Instagram, GP, or also Canva. So here if you want to upload or as it use GIF file in your mail, then you just need to go over here GP. This is one of the largest platform where you can post GIF file in here. Like here you can see GIF, and here you can see this is the platform. It is a be animated. Here you will find lots of GIF files. So you can see that it is integrated with this one. So you can search any file you want. So I just want to go with this one. I love you. All over I love it, and then I'll just click to the insert. Once I click over that place, it will take a couple of minutes for the loading, and here you can see it already been loaded here. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you think now you can easily do it for yourself, go ahead and try to do it. If you have any questions related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I am ready to help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel.